Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check Wi-Fi password in laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's go ahead and see how to find your Wi-Fi password in case you've forgotten it. From your desktop, come down to the taskbar and click on the search box. Inside the search box, type View Network. You should see an option appear called View Network Connections. Click on that and it will open up a new window. In this window, you'll see your active Wi-Fi connection, which will be labeled as Wi-Fi. All you need to do is double-click on your Wi-Fi connection and another window will pop up. Inside this window, look for the option that says Wireless Properties and click on it. A new window will appear, and here at the top, you want to go over to the Security tab. In this section, you'll see a field called Network Security Key. By default, it's hidden, but if you tick the box that says Show Characters, your Wi-Fi password will be revealed. For security reasons, I've blurred mine out, but you'll be able to see yours clearly once you check that box. And that's it. So that is how you can check Wi-Fi password in laptop. So that's all for this video. Thanks.